2124, effective until 0100 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This which includes the following counties in Texas: Brooks, Cameron, Hidalgo, and Willacy, and the following marine locations: Laguna Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo Colorado, Laguna Madre from the Arroyo Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas, Laguna Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay, Texas, coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to Rio Grande out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service